languages.
So victory पाना है तो चलता रहेगा. It's a long going process. We are going to keep struggling. We are going to keep winning on different small levels. Where we have to deal with our own emotions, where we have to face what the society tries to pull us down, so we have to rise up again. So I think all these things are going to keep on. Yes, I've tried to give solutions, but this is something which is going to keep. For the parents, the only tip is that please listen to your child, at least what he wants to say. Listen to him for some.
Beauty is that a story will remain with you for life, and कहीं ना कहीं वो एक ingrain हो जाती है आप में, जो आप what you take back from that book. So that's the beauty. And we encourage them to question. We are encouraging their curiosity and
So it is a beautiful morning at Springdale Senior Schools, and we have the beautiful author with us, Mrs. Swati Munjal. I really want to welcome you on Punjab Kesari. Springdale School में तो आपका बहुत अच्छा welcome हुआ है. I've seen students were so interactive and you have given them so much of guidance, and मुझे लगता है कि उनके पास बहुत सारे solutions भी आज आ चुके होंगे जो कई बारी वो cope up नहीं कर पाते हैं. I really want to congratulate you for such a very beautiful interactive session with students.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, I actually was looking at the session. It was amazing. बच्चे बहुत अच्छे questions पूछ रहे थे, and you were giving them all the solutions. But कहना is very easy. Tales of victory over self. अगर हम बात करें आपके book की कि अपने tales को सुनाना easy है, but उसे पाना मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी मुश्किल, क्योंकि आपके इस session में बहुत सारी positivity थी. तो so I will say कितना easy था इन सब victories को पाना.
ये सब should you want me to talk in Hindi?
You can use both languages.
So victory पाना है तो चलता रहेगा. It's a long going process. We are going to keep struggling. We are going to keep winning on different small levels.
Yeah.
क्योंकि ये मुश्किलें तो आती रहेंगी, चाहे हम बड़े हैं छोटे हैं. We all are going to have these and face problems like where we have to deal with our own emotions, where we have to face what the society tries to pull us down, so we have to rise up again. So I think all these things are going to keep on. Yes, I've tried to give solutions, but this is something which is going to keep on.
Yes. And students were so keen for the sequel of this victory over self. ये जो आपकी journey है बहुत ही खूबसूरत रही है. जिस तरह से आपने बात की COVID time से you got like इसकी inspiration आई one night when you were not able to sleep. You got to know that what was the reason. Reason was the writer in you जो आपको सोने नहीं दे रहा था उस रात को.
I think just an accidental writer.
Yeah.
Because I have not really been trained to be a writer or a poet. But I think it's a blessing of the divine.
So कह सकते हैं कि COVID was a blessing for you.
Yes, absolutely. I think COVID brought so many people out of their shell. I've seen so many chefs emerging. I've seen so many there's so many people who've written books, and so I think COVID did good to some people. So I'm happy for the COVID times.
Being blessed.
Being blessed. Yeah.
So like आपने बहुत ज़्यादा guidance दी बच्चों को. Parents जो यहाँ पर अभी नहीं मौजूद थे उनके लिए भी बहुत अच्छी guidance निकल कर आई. I'm sure ये बच्चे जाकर अपने पेरेंट्स को ज़रूर सिखाएंगे कि क्या करना चाहिए जब हम आपसे इस तरह से बात करते हैं. तो आई रियली वांट यू टू गिव अ टिप टू द पेरेंट्स हु ऑल आर स्ट्रगलिंग कि उनके बच्चे समझ नहीं पाते हैं उनको. आई वांट यू टू गिव अ स्मॉल टिप ऑन दैट.
For the parents, the only tip is that please listen to your child, at least what he wants to say. Listen to him for some time. Maybe he will share out emotions and he will eventually come up with his own solution. But the thing is that हम उससे पहले कि उनकी प्रॉब्लम वो शेयर करें हम उनको स्नैप करना शुरू कर देते हैं. Like suppose if a child says that my teacher said this to me, I didn't like it. I said, no, teachers ka kaam hai, you have to listen to the teacher. It's okay, teacher can also be wrong at times. Listen to your child, give them that courage that yes, he can talk to me about his emotion, he can share with me, and I'm there with him.
Yes.
So at least make them sure that to sharing emotions, because emotion sharing, I think it's very important, जो हम parents कई बारी नहीं सुनते हैं अच्छे से. So as a parent, I know myself, I also have my 2 boys, and it's very important to listen to them also. And then we can give and make sure that, and let them know that we are there for you, even when you're doing right or even when you were doing wrong. We are there for you.
So in teenage, how important is the role of a parent?
In teenage, you have to let, I think, few rules. Sometimes the kids really want to go out and spend the night with their friends. I think ये बहुत बड़ा है, but अगर आप एक rule set कर लोगे, they'll know कि ये rule है which I have to follow. Although they want to do it, and we tell them कि I understand you really want to do it, and I know I might be sounding, and you must be feeling that I'm the most irritating mother right now. So understand the emotion, but also try and tell them that you do whatever, but these late nights we don't suggest, because we don't know what kind of people you're interacting with there. There could be some good people and there could be some bad people.
Yeah.
But yes, if you know the family very well, it's all right. But so I think just set some rules, set some curfews, set some rules. That is important as a parent.
Yes. And you were talking about magic. Like आपने बात की magic book की, जब आपने उसे पढ़ा, and there was experience. Like मैं चाहूँगी कि जिस तरह से आपको experiences हुए, आप अपनी book के लिए, और बहुत सारी books are the best friends, I would say. और बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं books से काफ़ी दूर भागते हैं क्योंकि उनको पढ़ने में interest नहीं होता. They don't feel like कि हाँ बहुत time लग जाएगा. तो I really want कि आपका वो जो message था magic वाला, magic book, while you were reading that book, तो आपको जो एक magic आपके साथ हुआ, I really want you to share that, because कहीं ना कहीं books के friends बन जाएंगे सभी उसके बाद, I'm sure.
Yeah. Magic is one book which teaches you all about gratitude.
Yeah.
So it tells you that there must be so many wrong things happening, but there are also blessings. If you see, you will find many.
Yeah.
You could not like a person for one thing, but if you're just focusing on one thing, and if you start writing about that person and try yourself harder to write some good things about the person, you will find plenty. So, but we are only focusing on the bad things,
Yes.
that negative thing that's happening in our life.
Yes.
So count your blessings, see your blessings, and the way you talked about my book, I know nobody has patience these days to read big books, so that's why I've written very short stories.
Wow.
And try to convey the message so that even the non-readers can pick up that book and take something back.
That's great. I really want you all to read at least one book, and वो जो book होगी मुझे लगता है इस book से ज़्यादा बढ़िया कोई नहीं हो सकती, because it will tell you initial आपका interest develop करेगी. Tales of Victory Over Self. This is the beautiful book. इन सब बच्चों ने पढ़ी थी, मुझे लग रहा था, because they were so interactive about the book. उन्होंने questions पूछे उसमें से भी, like आपने ये लिखा, आपने वो लिखा. It was so amazing, like after knowing that कि बच्चों का कितना interest है reading books.
Even I was very glad that they're asking so many questions. That means they were happy about what I've written, and they wanted to know my what I think about. So it was an amazing thing.
Your
I
opinion.
think, yeah, my opinion, they wanted to know. So it was something which I think author, as long as is not connecting to the other. Even I was very glad that they're asking so many questions. That means they were happy about what I've written, and they wanted to know my what I think about. So it was an amazing thing.
Your
I
opinion.
think, yeah, my opinion, they wanted to know. So it was something which I think author, as long as is not connecting to the other people, to the audience, then there's no point. So I was glad that I could connect to them.
Yeah. So my last question, जो यहाँ से students में से भी निकल कर आया था, what is about the sequel and what is coming next from Mrs. Swati Munjal?
So, I think it was a very good suggestion by ma'am that now let's see what the kids don't like about their parents.
Oh, wow.
And how we can deal. So let's see. I have no idea right now, but I think again it will be the blessing of the divine, and if a third book is meant to happen, it will come.
Surely, lots of best wishes from Punjab Kesari, and we are looking forward to have many more sessions with you, so that you can connect with the parents and the children and the society in a like very divine way. You are actually interacting. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So अब बात करेंगे किरत मैम से, जो कि वाकई में बच्चों की 360 डिग्री होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट में पूरी तरह से बिलीव करते हैं. नॉट ओनली इन कि ठीक है जी बच्चों को पढ़ा दिया या उनको स्पोर्ट्स में उनको सिखा दिया या उनको कुछ उनकी जो उनमें आर्ट है उसे पॉलिश कर दिया, बट येस ऑफ कोर्स स्पिरिचुअलिटी, जिस तरह से आज के सेशन में बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें थी कि हमें हर निक एंड कॉर्नर ऑफ द लाइफ ऑफ एवरीथिंग वी हैव टू टच, और आज बहुत ही खूबसूरती से इस सेशन में बातचीत हुई। किरत मैम से बात कर लेते हैं। Why we call Springdalians? It is the reason we have with us Kirat ma'am. We really are like blessed to have you in our city. आपकी जो सोच है बच्चों की 360 डिग्री होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट की जो सोच है वो आज हमने इस सेशन में भी देखी मैम। जिस तरह से आप बहुत सारे इंटरेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस लेकर आपने बात की जो ऑथर है मिसेस स्वाति मुंजाल के साथ, देन स्टूडेंट्स वर सो इंटरेक्टिव। इट वाज रियली, हमें लग रहा था कि वी आर सिटिंग इन अ बिग सेशन जहाँ पे बहुत बड़े बड़े माइंड्स बैठे हैं। यू हैव डेवलप्ड देम लाइक बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ डेवलप हो रहे हैं हमारे अमृतसर के बच्चे।
हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छा। It was a beautiful session, and the beauty of this session was that it was very light.
Yes.
It was very relatable.
Yes.
And it was very one-to-one. I think, like I said, that हम बड़े भी बच्चे भी everybody could connect instantly, you know. And that's the beauty of it. और इन्होंने जो ये बुक लिखी है जिसका नेम है Tales of Victory over Self.
Yeah.
So no matter what age or stage we are, I think we all are somewhere battling with all this inside, and the moment we can kind of triumph over this is where you know, the battle is won.
Actually,
so we are
ma'am,
very grateful to Mrs. Swati Munjal for sparing a precious time and coming here.
बिल्कुल मैम, और इस तरह के सेशंस कहीं ना कहीं हम सब में इनकलकेट करते हैं इस फीलिंग को दैट बुक्स आर एक्चुअली आवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स।
Of course.
कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग स्कूल की बुक्स खत्म होने के बाद सोचते हैं कि बस अब बुक्स को बाय करना है।
So the beauty of it is that ये एक story form में है. It is
Yeah.
not like a lecture, or it's not like, you know, statements or quotes that one has to really dig deep. Like you know, Swati said that
बहुत लाइट।
हाँ, और जब हम अपनी नानी दादी अपने पेरेंट्स की you know कहानियाँ याद करते हैं, that remains with us for life. So the
Yes.
beauty is that a story will remain with you for life, and कहीं ना कहीं वो एक ingrain हो जाती है आप में, जो आप you know what you take back from that book. So that's the beauty of it.
That's lovely. And ये जो बुक है इसका जो कवर है एक्चुअली so very like आपको एकदम से हिट करता है कि yes I really want to look inside it, और बहुत ही खूबसूरत है। जैसे मैम बता रहे हैं शॉर्ट स्टोरीज हैं, अभी तक मैंने नहीं पढ़ी है। आई एम श्योरली गोना रीड दिस बुक। दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल बुक। लाइक जिस तरह से जो मैसेजेस निकल कर आ रहे थे, जो इंटरेक्शन निकल कर आ रही थी, दैट वाज ब्यूटिफुल, एंड आई रियली वांट टू कंग्रेचुलेट यू मैम, बिकॉज आपके स्कूल के बच्चे दे ऑलवेज स्टैंड आउट, दे आउटशाइन।
We're very proud of them, and again the beauty of it is connect. You know, we cannot lecture them, we cannot kind of direct them towards a certain way. The beauty of it is just connecting with them. The moment you connect on a level, and I think that is where सबसे ज़्यादा effective guidance learning it comes out. So our kids connect with us, and we are very blessed with
Actually,
that.
the way they were on the mic, they were like some professionals, and it was so amazing.
They have a
And
mind of their own, and we encourage them to question. We are encouraging their curiosity, and we are very proud of them.
it was not as if it was scripted. They were interacting in between the sessions, and they were telling things. Like, it was beautiful session, and once again I really want to
Thank you so much.
congratulate you.
Thank you
ma'am.
for coming,
Thank
and please come more often. Lovely to have you here.
always likewise ma'am, thank you so much ma'am, thank you. और आप इस वीडियो में बहुत सारे मैसेजेस हैं, जिस तरह से इस वीडियो में बहुत सारे ग्लिम्पसेस भी हैं जो आज इस सेशन में स्टूडेंट्स ने क्वेश्चंस किए, और उसके बाद मैम की तरफ से आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन, सब बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा सेशन था, और इस सेशन ने बहुत कुछ सिखाया है। हो सकता है आप भी कहीं ना कहीं जूझ रहे हो इसी तरह की किसी प्रॉब्लम के साथ, हो सकता है आपके बच्चे जूझ रहे हो किसी भी प्रॉब्लम के साथ। इट वॉज लाइक नॉट ओनली टच्ड फॉर अ सर्टन सब्जेक्ट, इट वॉज फ्रॉम द बुलिंग टू द स्पिरिचुअलिज्म एंड एवरीथिंग। हर एक चीज़ की बात की गई है, और आपके जो बच्चे हैं कहीं ना कहीं आपका बहुत थैंक्स करेंगे जब आप इस वीडियो से बहुत सारे मैसेजेस लेंगे। एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई रियली वांट टू टेल यू टेल्स ऑफ विक्ट्री ओवर सेल्फ इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल बुक, जो कि मैंने अभी पढ़ी नहीं है, बट सुनने से ही मुझे समझ में आ गया कि एक्चुअली इट हैज़ द लेसन्स ऑफ लाइफ। इट इज़ वेरी गुड टू जस्ट गिव इट अ रीड। सो आई वुड रियली रिकमेंड यू ऑल, और बने रहे पंजाब केसरी पर। इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक, शेयर और फॉलो हमारे चैनल को करें, और इस वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिए ताकि आपके बच्चे, हमारे शहर के बच्चे इस तरह से ग्रूम हो कि हमें भी प्राउड हो। येस, वी ऑल आर अमृतसरीज। बने रहे पंजाब केसरी पर और देखते रहे पंजाब केसरी, क्योंकि पंजाब केसरी है आपके दिल की धड़कन।